The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hey, good morning, fellas. Jeff, James, Ray, Moshi, guys, good morning. Good morning. Chris, it's going to zero, man. Morning, Victor. Lee, good morning. Guys, very good morning to you. We are Tuesday, May 11th. Yeah, this is not looking good for tech, man. I wish I'd have kept that trade on that I put in member Skype yesterday. Jock, good morning. Hey, Hubba, good morning. Hey, I got to give you a call later. Good morning, Yannick. Steven, good morning. Guys, very good morning. Looks like the slide is going to continue at least early. Yesterday we had some 15,000 plus net sellers in the NASDAQ. Today we've got just over 3,900. Why does it look like I have no data? Bear with me 1 second, guys. Up right now. I don't have a daily chart. I don't think gold may make it to 39.2, right where that target is. Damn, so we got a short here on RB on trend. I would think this NASDAQ is resistant to, it broke back over 100. It looks to me, fellas, like we are headed down towards 46, 47, 48 area. Got to get back below that 100. $694 on the monthly. If this blows this again and stays below 100, and they're trying, we're over 5,100 sellers. Almost 5,200. Come on, blow it again. There we go. Now it's cooked. Stay below, got to get below this and stay below this 100. Hmm. Okay, out on this gold. The 15 minutes up, I prefer the long. God, this is going to get buried. Give me a pullback. If we can get a pullback, fellas, maybe up near 16. That would probably 17 area would probably be our short. $129 buyer at 100. That's a fair size, guys, for this time of day. 129 buyer. Come on, get me up to 16. They bought them again at 100, 133, 135, 137. They're buying 100. 140. All right, guys, I'm going to try a small long right off that 100. Damn it. Hang on, guys.
Order filled.
Hang on. Son of a bitch. I have a bad habit of. Yeah, but I got a 158 buyer here, Greg. This might be good for.
Order submitted.
Why is.
Order canceled.
Come on. I think this is good to 14, 15. That's where I want to sell it. 16, 17. See if they buy them again. Come on, hit them again. They're not buying them again they didn't buy any more at 100. But I still like this to 14, 15. That's where I want to sell it. I'm not selling it down here on the bottom, guys. They just bought one more, 159. Let's see what we get. Small negative delta in the candle, 160. Guys, I'm going to try the 100.
Order submitted.
God, and I can't get it.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
$174 at 100.
Order submitted.
There it is.
Order filled.
All right, now I got it. I'm not giving this a wide berth, guys. Come on. 178. Morning, Johan. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Hit them again at 100. 12 isn't going to help us. Hit them at 100. I got net buyers. Come on, you rat bag. No. All right, guys. It's got to bounce here. I kill it. Come on. Come on, buyers. Come on, buddy. One more candle and it's gone. Sydney! Come on. They bought 10 at 100. 178 in the previous bar. If this gets over the 100 again, guys, I think we're good. Lower highs, we're building a little flag here. We get over 02, it's good for sure. Come on, you dog. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Pump up the jam, baby. Let's clear 4. I'll take first target at 6/4. And then that's my short zone right up there. Come on. Come on, Oompa Loompa. We got buyers on the top of the candle. Oh, you dog. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, 5. We got net buyers. Stack buyer imbalance here. I'm on the close, fellas. You know how I love pre-market. I'm out. I'm out. $85. I'm out. Sandy! This may still go, guys. It's trading sideways down here on a bigger time frame. But I'm not looking to be a hero. They bought him here. Sellers with them, but they bought him here. They didn't come back and buy him again on the next candle, so. Let's see what's doing. ES is not helping us. ES sold off. Hate these damn inside candles. Greg, what's your stop? Back up through 20? 21? 07? I want this at 13, 14, as high as 25, that whole zone. This is where I want to sell it. Yeah, well, I want hair too, but that didn't happen this morning. Yeah, we had the buyers. It couldn't break through the previous 5 minutes. I ain't trying to be a hero. We could blow down, guys. I mean, on the downside, resistance is going to be 125. That whole area that I want to sell. We could come down to 47.8, down to 25. We could break 13,000. I mean, our third standard D, look, we could come all the way down 13,021. Nice trade, Greg. RB is short again, guys, on the new indicator. And these are still sim. Yeah, gold is actually 36.2, should bounce it. Let's see here. This area should bounce GC. It's 2,200 buyers. I'm not really looking. Block buy here, 30 contracts at 36. I'm going to try this long on gold.
Order filled.
36.2.
Order filled.
There it is, 36.2 with no ATM. Nice.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Come on, gold. Nice job, Ray. Got to get above VWAP. Come on. Got buyers here, here, and here. We're trading up into this. This is our problem on this candle. That stack seller imbalance. I got a 159, a 126. They're buying them in here. They're buying 36.9 through 37.3. Sellers. $105, 174, 159. I'd really like to see this next candle open up at or above VWAP. All right, fellas. This has to bounce in here for me. Come on, get back above that point of control. Come on. Guys, I'll be out in a minute. This isn't, I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm out. Now it goes. That may be it. 38. Nope. Jesus. If NASDAQ can find its way up into that 15, 16 to 25 zone, it's going to get smacked. Yes. Going to be no bot trades there. NASDAQ is going to get a bid. Guys, look at the on the new indicator. Look at the Uniranka we've been using. Look at trend on the Nasdaq. Look at trend. Colonial Pipeline continues to make progress on their restart plan.
Order filled.
Sandy, how's Joe? She all right? Good, good. Stupid NASDAQ, man. Just cannot get a bid. We'll get them, guys. I'm not a big pre-market fan. This has to bounce. If they're going to blow this at the open, it's got to bounce. Guys, on another note, those of you guys that have expressed an interest in the me doing a European session, we're pretty close to the numbers that I wanted. Bond yields are flat. I guess it's the way I've always done it. Actually, at one time, Frank, I used to open at 7. I mean, we're going back years, but I used to open at 7. Yeah, I'm wanting this gold, but I mean, let me take a look at something here. The question is, how big a stop do we want? And you could try. There's still a gold long, but the stop. I mean, right now it's not brutal. It's 34.4. If I go to a bigger time frame, could be 33.2. I just don't see any buyers yet. Back up to 36.7 from here. We could go right back to 40 on gold. If you guys want to try gold, you can try a gold long again.
Order filled.
You can try a gold long again, but your stop has to be 33. That's on a bigger time frame. Stop is 33. Yields aren't doing anything. Dollar index looks like it's going to sell. And this just won't go anywhere with 2,400 buyers. We've pulled the 68 up. We're into this buy zone here. You guys can see it. It's not going to hold. It's coming down to 34.6. Mm-mm. Come on, dog. Get back above VWAP. What are you so afraid of? We get above 36.7, 36.8. 37.3 we have to pop. I mean, look at this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Get out of this. Let's go. 10 buyers in this candle. That's it. Big buyers here, 15. We have Joel's job openings, and I'm done with this, guys. I'm done with this pre-market. Tell sellers. I'm done. That's it for me for pre-market, guys. I'm done. RB got first target on the new indicator. I'll trail it at 3 standards. You guys can keep gold if you want it. I gave you the stop. I'm not interested. The bigger time frames are all green. The 15-minute is looking like it wants to roll over on gold. And this may pop. We should break back up. All right, well. You guys want to hold it? I gave you the stop, 33. I'm done. Jeez. Bond yields are starting to move a little higher. Not much. My money is on NASDAQ coming to 46, then 25. I'm not in a trade, but that's where I think we're headed. Looks like they're going to blow everything, guys. Gold is getting cremated. Looks like everything's going to get sold on the open. Any bumps up in the NASDAQ, I'm looking to sell. Yeah, I'm not looking at copper. Yep, back into VWAP. It's following gold. Gold's breaking 3 standard deviations. I mean, I hate to look at gold on the new indicator. I didn't have it on. I didn't have it on, but that short was 38, almost a $10 short. It is a $10 short. That sucks. Guys, it's almost 9 o'clock. I'll take my breakfast break at 9. I'll be back in 20 minutes. I'm down a bit coming into the open, but I'm not worried about it. We'll get them on the open.
Stop film.
Okay, out. There's top of the hour, fellas. I'll be back in a bit. I'm going to go eat breakfast. I'll see you guys in about 20 minutes. Come on, NASDAQ. Small sellers in here, 100 again, back to 40, over 4,600. Open runner on the crude. First target is hit. Come on, NASDAQ. Okay. Anybody short NASDAQ? Anybody short NASDAQ? Target number 1 is 03, maybe 04. Come on, Ratbag. 04, first target. Hit it to the, no, hit, there it is. Target 1 filled. Target 1 filled. Next target, 78.79. 13,078.79. My stop would be break even. It's pretty volatile, guys. I mean, if you look at your DOM, it's flying around like a whack job. Once it gets through 40, it's going nowhere. 41. If it gets through 41, it goes 53 quickly. Goes 53 quickly. There's 53. You're welcome, Nalufa. If we can get above 54, 55, we're going to go 64 if anybody's long. 64. 64 would be next.
Order filled.
All right, guys. This is a chart a friend of mine gave me. This has to be moved. Whoop. 3 standard deviations. This is 4,224 volume on the NASDAQ. I got to be lagging. Yeah, I can see it. I can see it. I'm lagging, which doesn't happen often. And I think he's in the room. I'm lagging, fellas. If it stays like this for 5 minutes or so, I'll log out and log back in. I just started with the lag. Hey, this is your chart, man. This is your chart. So they're still buying them, guys. We're down to 3,300 sellers. 806 net buyers in the previous candle, 400 plus in this candle. Price is 141 is what I have, 141. Yeah, gold is along. I don't know what, out on the crude. Back to 58. This is lagging. We're 58. Price is lagging. The P&L is correct, but the price is wrong. We're at 65. What price, Greg? Come on. Got to pop this 68. Look at this. It wants VWAP. Almost. 70 half is target one.
Target filled.
Yeah, it could be. It's fine. There's nothing Fahim, I'm aware. Not on this chart. I mean, I've got a chart where I'm 939. Yeah, I'm right on one chart. I'm pretty close on this. So I want to slide up. I'm going to slide up to 1 standard deviation.
Order filled. Stop filled.
It's going to go to 92. NASDAQ's going to 92, 93. It's going to 92.93, where it runs into the 50 period moving average on the 15-minute. I'm not long. I mean, this is a sim trade. I'm not long. I'm not in anything. I'm just waiting for this. Guys, 203 is where this can go. 203. I mean, it would be Herculean if the Qs can fill the gap back up to 25.76. They're at 21.36. Herculean. If this is going to go higher, it's going to do it on the next 15-minute candle. It's going to really have to get above 95. Hold. Look at this son of a gun, man. Back to VWAP and above. Here's second target coming. Second target filled, fellas. Now it's an open runner. Damn, Wayne. Now it's just a free trade. $203 is where I've got this pretty much maxed out. If we blow 20, we could trade to 28. I mean, it's all net buying right now. All right, let me move this here. Now that we're about 15 minutes into it, if I'm going to take a long, where do I want the long? Maybe on a pullback to 65, but good luck to you. There's a 136 buyer at the point of control. Look at this, 1,600 buyers. Holy shnikes. Next target I have, fellas, is 280 if you're long. 280. 280. Shoot. Yesterday's low was 305. Yesterday's close was 356. Yeah, there's a buying opportunity of a lifetime. Let me tell you, there's somewhere between 3 and 5 trillion with a T global exposure to tech that has to get out. 3 to 5 trillion. They're selling into these guys. Nice job, Ricky.
Order filled.
Come on, back down to 190. Come on, 191.
Order filled.
I mean, I'm not sure I want to buy. Maybe 90 this air. Let's see here. They bought back. I don't have, I'm looking for big buyer, a big buyer. I mean, the next target I have, this is support right here, 02. If it's going to hold, this is your trade, 01, 02. That's your trade. We're overbought on the 15 minute. But 01, 02, I like 115, but don't hold your breath. We're holding the 50 period now as support. And maybe it's a little lower than that, 94, 95. It's overbought. No, I don't. I'm just watching right now, Keith. I'm just watching. We got all morning, fellas, all morning. You got a short on the ES back to 32, which would be my long entry. The ES, I like at 32. If it comes back there, maybe 33. Okay, out on this runner. Let me get rid of that. Yeah, I like 30 on the ES, 33 on the long. I have no idea if it can get there.
Order submitted.
No idea if it gets there.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Right there. Guys, NASDAQ long. NASDAQ long is what it's looking like here. I got a block buyer here, but 97. I got 100 here. Yeah, there we go. Come on. There's 100 buyer at 05. Anybody long? When I said right here, anybody long? Target one was 13, is 13. I'm looking for a long here, guys. I'm looking for a long. 88 is support. All right, let's see if your stop has to be 83. Let me see. 8 seconds to the next candle. We could see VWAP here. Back to 2,300 net sellers. 2,300. Okay, guys. Got to get back above 03, 04 to go. Small net sellers in the 3 minute. There we go. Now we should be good. Come on, dog. Got to get back above 03 and stay above 03. I'll take it long at 06
Order submitted.
on that move up. It's got to stay above 03. 118 buyer. They're buying them here at 05, 125 with 27 contracts bought in one block.
Order filled.
Okay. That 03 is big. We should get up to here, first target. Oh my goodness. 2 ticks, fellas. 2 ticks. Come on, buddy. Oh, 1 tick. Seriously? There it is. First target off. First target off. Let's call the next. If we get above 31, we go 53. Above 31, we go 53. 32. Above 32, we go 53. Yeah, we should go. If you guys want to take risk off, take it off. But we should go 53. Real stop is probably 80. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Buyers all the way through. We did have a sequential decline here. No, we did not. We ran out of buyers though. 682 on the top. 53. We need to get firmly above 32, 32 half. We go 53. 276. We could go 320. We could go 348. I don't know that we do, but those are topside targets. ES did not come back. You can close that trade.
Order canceled.
There we go. Look at this. They're going to buy all these sons of guns back, fellas. Got another target at 40, right? The 68, but we've pulled it all the way down. We're working through this seller imbalance. I'll just leave stop at break even at this point. God forbid there's a news announcement. Kamala Harris is the real president. Are you almost there, Frank? Almost to 10,000 for the day? You hit it? Nice job. Never did it before. Nice job. No question, Lori. 339 buyer here. Look at the contract spot here. Block trades 24, 20, 28, 22, 27. You got a 339 buyer at 28. Somebody commenting on the Iran nuclear deal. It's always a good idea to give them nuclear weapons. Thank you, Keith. Support now on a pullback 13 half if you guys want to take it. Your stop would be 85. If it pulls back to 13 half. I don't know what he's using. I doubt it. I just showed that chart for the first time today. A friend of mine gave me that. So I doubt it. Come on, go get 53. It's going to 53.50, fellas. We should get that target. If it pulls back to 13 half, that's another entry. Nice job, Lee. Up $1,000. It should go to 53.50. It may pull back to 13.50 area. That's another long. Look, you have this huge buy zone right here. This whole area. Come on, pull. It's in. There you go, guys. It's into the buy zone. That's your buy zone. Your stop is 85. Whoop, right out of the zone. Zip. There you go. I can't draw it up any better. Easy peasy, fellas. Easy peasy. Come on, let's go. Down to 847 negative delta. 843. Look at this. They are just. Come on, 53. Get out of this. There we go. There we go. Anybody long from this buy zone, guys? Anybody long from down here? Anybody long? Okay, fellas. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, go get that 5250. That's why I hate pre-market. I just hate freaking pre-market. It's so freaking slow. Come on, dog. Come on, buddy. Oh, you suck. Seriously, you suck on that. We got to 57.5. Nice job, Gary. Come on, dog. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, man. Oh, one tick. One tick. Some small sellers. Come on, one more push. Come on. Are you kidding me? Got a 108 buyer here with blocks, 25. Think the shorts are crapping yet? Again. Seriously, again. Now it's principal. Go! Got it. Completely free now, fellas. That's it. Guys, you should have made your day on one trade. Day should be in on one trade. We're going to have resistance at 61 right here. Little bit of noise on Pam's red dots. So if you guys took this long back here, shitty little trade from 14 to 53, take some risk off because we're pushing. Now we're above. Green Delta. Look at that. They bought them all back. I can try. Patience, fellas. Where's Sandy? You in the room? Tell them what we are, Sandy. We're paid to wait. Paid to wait, fellas. Jolt's job openings. I doubt sincerely that has zero effect on us. All right. We're going to 75 next. Greg. Final target, guys. Let's try 320. 320. We got to get a pullback. 53 should hold. Well, nice job, Jake. Up over 3,500 on that trade. Nice job. It's another day at the office, fellas. Another buy zone right here. Another zone here. 8.12 million versus 7.5 expected. Wayne, I got one guy, Chris. Nice job, Ray. Up 6,800. Nice job. I got one guy in the last 4 months has made over $1.5 million. Yeah, but he's crazy. I'm sure he's in the room. He'll trade 50s and 75s on Russell. You in the room, Chris? He does. Yeah. Yeah. I can't do. First of all, I've never traded 50 contracts in my life live, ever, and don't think I have the guts to do it. I'm being honest. I mean, if somebody wants to spot me the million and it's not my money, I'll trade hundreds. I don't care. Hey, let's go big. I can't do it, dude. If I did, I would have to take. If I did, I would have to take the P&L off my Dom. I couldn't watch. Guys, you should be one and done on this trade. Up 16, what? 100 or 1,000, Marco? You're up 16 grand today? Nice job. Nice job. Guys, if we pull back to 13, 14, 15. Yeah, so with hi, Frank. I couldn't watch the trade, man. I'd rather buy Dogecoin again. It's safer. Yes, they are, Wayne. Yep. I was kidding about Dogecoin. They are, Wayne. Chris has sent me his trade blotter. Oh. I'm surprised he's not answering. He must have left. He's had draws, he's had. Nice job. Dana's up 800 on micros. There he is. I was just bragging about you, man. It's money. I was just bragging about you. But we've got guys in this room that are making 10 times what I do, Wayne. More. Guys, it's free trade at this point. It's just free. If you got a runner going, it's free. I've moved stop up to 43 from an entry at 06. I would be willing to bet that they dump it after the gap fill. If the Qs get to 325, look, here are the Qs. Here are the Qs. There's your gap fill, 325.49. I would not be surprised to see this dump after this gap is filled. There's still a gap here. Mester is speaking. We hit the 75. I would have thought we'd keep going. Next 15-minute candle, not for that. Guys, I think we can get to yesterday's low, which is 305. Now, this stop is pretty tight here at 40. It's out. It's out. So let's see if we get another pullback down to about that 13 area, which is where this trade came from. Yeah, go ahead, Wayne. I use Trade the News, which is a paid service. It's $185 a month, and I listen to Squawk all day. So I'm, listen. I generally get the news immediately. It's right here. All right, guys, I'm looking at 14.15 for another entry. I missed a Russell trade too, Wayne. I did a bot here with the settings you gave me, and the Russell went long at 21.79, went to 03, 23 points. That's a nice trade. So we'll sell the close if it breaks down. Oh, nice trade. Nice trade, Greg. I'm not a big YM guy. The same ones as 2250 you gave me on YM, 2250. All right, let me do it. 2025. Yeah, it broke long at 386. So I'll sell the close on a trend. Okay. An ES 24,000. Yeah, I got that. All right, guys. I'm looking for a bounce out of 13 area with a stop at 90. Yep. I like 13 with a stop at 90. ES volume chart is 24,250. All right, guys, listen, pay attention. If you guys are up and have a great day, remember, I take losing trades, okay? Trade accordingly. Scale down your size. Don't trade at all if you've made your day. That last trade or the last two trades should have made everybody's day. So trade accordingly. This is where I like the long right here.
Order submitted.
Okay. Stop is going to be 90. Yeah, I like that 339 on crude, Gary. Stop is 90, fellas, if it gets there. Okay. I mean, that could have been, you got a big seller here, 221 seller here with 60 contracts sold. Hit daily goal. Nice job, Fahim. Obviously I missed gold. I don't want it up here, guys. This could go right back to 53 from here. I want to see it come back into this buy zone again. One more time. Uno más. Nice job, Derek. Daily goal in and done. Nice job. Just be patient, guys. Should come. Come on, dog. No, I've seen that before, Wayne. I've seen where, the mini had a positive delta and the micro had a negative. I've seen that, and vice versa. Guys, let it come. Let it come. If it gets to us, I think that's our long. Nice job, David. Nice job. Another one and done on the day. Come on, 13. Stop is going to be 90. Oh, don't you do it. Next candle on a 3-minute, guys, in 8 seconds. No, don't hold this. It's holding a 5-period moving average. It's just, you dog. It should come down, guys. It should come down. Net negative delta is increasing. Not huge. Nice job, Paul. One and done. Nice job. Next 15-minute candle, fellas, is in 2 minutes and a half. If this trades up into 53, you can short it with a stop at 80. 53 with an 80 on a short. You scumbag. Came to 21. If anybody wants to try a short on the NASDAQ, 53 with an 80. Didn't even get there. Got to 49. Sorry, fellas. Missed. Remember, stop is going to be 90. 90. It's a big stop. It's 23 handles. Come on. One push. We got a seller here. Block trades here. Big sellers here. 151. "30 seconds to the next 15-minute candle." That'll probably take us down into that 80 zone. I'm hoping. 13 zone, I mean. I'm hoping. 176 here. 183. They're selling 30. They keep hitting 30. 188. There we go. No. It's just so dang slow. NASDAQ suits my ADHD. YM is like on Quaaludes half the time. Held the top of the zone. We held 17.5. That may have been it, but I still think we come down a little bit further. Come on. There we go. Almost. We're still into, there it is. All right. Stop is 90, guys. Stop is 90. Come on. Come on. It's not bouncing. It bounced, but it's. Come on. 200 sellers, 190 sellers. Come on. I told you I take losing trades, fellas. I still think that. Son of a bitch. This may want VWAP. It blew the whole zone. Got a small bounce out of there.
Order filled.
All right, so YM just sold on your volume thing. More accommodative policy doesn't necessarily mean more risk, Mester. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on. 15 seconds to the next candle. 3 minute that I'm watching. Got to get above 10. This little seller imbalance in here. No. Come on. Come on. Got to get above 14 again. 14. I'm going to move this first target down, guys, to 20. Nope. Come on, rat bag. Get above 14. That's our resistance now, guys. 14. Right here. Oh, you rat dog. Come on. Come on.
Target filled.
Boom! Target filled. Booyah, baby. That's it, fellas. Off to the races we go. Dun, da, da, da. Dun, da, da, da. That one's a little hairier than I wanted. Come on. Let's go. No buyers up here. One buyer left at 36 and quarter. One buyer. Guys, if the first trade, hit the target, there it is. Free trade all day. Now it's free. I don't care what it does. Stops at break even. That's it, fellas. Boom. You guys good? You good, fellas? Yes, Wayne. Yep. Okay, Brad. Everybody's making money, right? Guys, I should have nobody losing money. Is there anybody that has not made money? Is there anybody that has not made money? We got to get above that 53.50 again. We go back to 80. My ex-wife does every month on the first of the month. It's kind of like socialism. You go into it willingly, but getting out of it's a tough one. There we go, fellas. Oh, she's awesome. Thank you, Wayne. Volunteers 3 days a week at the Humane Society. She's awesome. How's your girl doing? Guys, this should have done it for everybody. If you didn't get it on the first one, you got it how? We got to get above that 60 zone. Yeah, my daughter is indicator on the breakout. You think if I hang on, guys. I don't see buyers. Got a 215 seller here with a ton of blocks. Oh, yeah, I see 15. You see 0 to 20. I see 15. 115. I mean, everything is still screaming lower, including the ES. The selling is not dissipating. It's intensifying again. We're back to about half of where we were before they bought all these things back. I mean, this is staggering, this move. $1,500 runner on one contract. Prior low support on a 15-minute time frame is 111. And I have 115 as a buy zone. Look at this. This is staggering. Staggering. I mean, I'll accept the Russell, which, you know, is half a chooch anyways. All right, guys. I got to get to 115. There's a scalp in here on a long, maybe back to, you know, try to get back to VWAP above 64, 65. But I'm waiting for 115. If it doesn't come, it doesn't come. Everybody's made money. You can scalp it here. You can scalp it now. There's a trade here. There you go. That's your trade. Right? First target is probably 73. But I'm waiting for 115. That's what I want. I am not going to post yesterday's education on this indicator, guys. There's nowhere to post it, right? Not everybody has it, so it would be, I guess I can post it in the member area. I'll just make it easy instead of sending it. I'll have it posted today. Well, the stops are the deviations. You see, I'm trailing deviations. Nothing changes. Yeah, that's okay, Chris. You know, you didn't miss anything. The stops are the deviations. Nothing changes, Gerardo. Right? Whether you're trading a 30 range or a 3 minute or whatever. No, Ray. No. It's already fully automated, Rick. Joel will have trailing stops this week. I talked to him yesterday. So the stops will auto trail this week. 115 is what I've got, guys. I mean, the selling's not huge, but I think we're coming back into the lows. The Qs are dumping. Did not get gap fill. 1907 is the low end. The Qs were at 2037. And the ES has not stopped selling. I mean, again, I didn't have this set for what Wayne gave me, but you'd be short ES from 18.5. I don't know that I've ever seen an $1,700 runner on a $5 instrument. We're almost there, fellas. We double bottomed at 29. I mean, I haven't even had a chance to look at anything else. We held the 68. We may hold this area. I'd like to see one more break and a move back right up through. If we catch that swing there at 29, it's coming to our 15. On the short, rolling. I want to see 15. Russell's useless. I'm going to take that off.
Order filled.
Get rid of that RTY. Damn it. We didn't get 15. I'll put that at 1 standard deviation. Same with the YM. 1 standard deviation. What does it mean under the shade letters of the symbols? That's something we need to attend to. Shade letters of the symbols. I don't know what you mean. No, it just hasn't fired. There's your long, guys. I should have been long coming back up through the 34 at 52.
Order filled.
Let me get that out of the way. I'll buy the close now on trend.
Order filled.
Let me get that out of the way. And let me pay attention to this. Maybe back to 52. No real size. Let's see if we get a move back into that 52. I really like 15. We got the 29. I think we trade back to 95. I think we trade back to 95. $91 anyways, which is VWAP. We're going back to VWAP. Next 15-minute candle. You stinker. I wanted that 15, guys. I wanted 15. Came to 29. 28.5. It's a big miss. So where's the next trade, right? Where would the next trade be? Somebody tell me. You guys know. We're going back 210 area is where they should go. Next 15-minute candles in a minute and a half. Somebody tell me where my next long is. That's what I see. Or I've got to get a clean break of what? VWAP. That's exactly right. You guys are both right. Gold is a short. Probably back down to 23 if you guys want to sell gold. But your stop is going to be 28. It's going to be 34 half stop. 34 half stop. Whoop. Crude. I miss crude. Damn. Really big trade on crude. Nice, Gary. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at it. Look at this trade on crude. Look at this trade. Short from 64.99 all the way down to freaking 10. Ay. I can only watch so many, fellas. All right, guys. So this would be the area if we're going to bounce again from here to here. $339, Ray. $339. I think Gary's using the same one. He is. Israeli combat troops are on their way to the Gaza border. They'll fight that war for another 1,000 years. Nope. It is not, Dean. Yeah, we may get that NQ. I'm not using a Unirenko on NQ at the moment. I'm not using a Unirenko. Oh, 6618. I'm sorry. I don't even know what here comes that 15, fellas. I'm sure that this news didn't help. You know, war in the Middle East. I'm sure it's going to help. Yeah, I think so. I mean, that's the area that I want, Dijan. A lot of sellers in this candle, but I think it's a reaction to the news. We're trying to pop here. That was just a reaction to the damn news. I still can't get to 15. That came to 25 half. Still can't get 15. Stink. Damn it. Here comes VWAP. Just a reaction to the news. Got to be long, guys, to 95. It's going to 95. I'm telling you, it's going to 90, 93, 94, 95. God darn it. I couldn't get 15. Sorry, guys. This is, what happens when you try to buy specific areas. I should have just hit buy market. We're over VWAP now, right? I don't have a candle close yet. Now I do. Now I have a candle close. 7. Not what I wanted to see. Come on. Come on. Buyer here. Come on, get up there. There we go. That might be a little much, 7/4. Maybe let's call it 5, 5/2. Kind of have to get through point of control. Stick. Come on, seriously. Let's go. We're not going. There we go. There we go. Another one close, but no cigar. One more push. Got to take that 5-minute. There it is. Double top here at 03/2. See it? Right here. There it is. One tick again. Got it. Got it. There we go, fellas. I'd like to get 19. Sequential decline. You hit your daily goal now? Nice job. Come on. Pump it up. Yeah, they get me, listen, I'm going to take losing trades. They got me on the last one, but generally speaking, someone call the fire department. I'm on fire. Come on. Let's go. Give me one more 30 range candle. They're buying point of control, not big. 84 cars at POC. Here we go. Come on. Give me 20. Give me 18. Just 25 handle move. Let's go. This has to break above 08/2. Call it 08. If it goes 08, it's going to 20. If you guys want to, take ticks, your prerogative. I can tell you what has to go in order for this to get to that 18/4 target. 08/2 breaks. It's off to the races again. Come on, dog. We're gone. Bye. Let's go. Gone. Come on. 25, 25. Somebody hum the theme from the song Shaft. Who's that man? Now it's free. We're done. Everybody good? Everybody good, fellas? Thank you, Dijon. Think about how great a trade that would have been if we could have gotten the damn 15. That would have been 100 points. That would have been 100 handles, fellas. Order filled somewhere. Except I do not know where. I don't see a damn trade. Oh, NASDAQ. On the bot. Yeah, thank you, James. Thank you. I got charts laying on top of charts, guys. Let's see where we can get to. We get above 17, we go 48. We get above 17 now, we go 48. 18. We got to break this swing high, we go 48. Trade the runner as you see fit if you have one. I'm sitting break even here, fellas. I want to hold that 34 at 96 or so, 95. We get above that swing high, we're going 48, 47. Above that, we go 60, then 80. Pullback entry now becomes 65 if it pulls back. The next entry, if you're not in it, would be 65. So if it takes me out, which it may, I'll look for a 65 entry. We are 10:55. We have 5 minutes to the top of the hour, and then we've got the last 30 minutes of Europe, so who knows what we get. So if we get above 17, this target is good on that bot. Come on. Break 17 and maybe 18, 18 half. We got to take that swing. If we get this swing, this thing is off to the races. That's another entry. That's another entry. 19 half, 3/4. There it is. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Target is now 47. 47. Next target, 47, 46 half. Yeah, that's based on this. Maybe 42. 4-2, fellas. This would have been a whale of a trade if we got that 15 entry. Of course, if I had hair, I'd need more haircuts, right? See you tomorrow, Frank. Nice job. $10,000 day. Nice job. Here's the NQ bot. Okay, so that's Wayne's chart on that 4224 volume. Well, let me get stop out of here to 1 standard deviation. Nice job, Dave. Nice job. Let me go to data series. Do not plot. There we go. Guys, trying to get to 42 anyways, which is where I think we should go. Got a small buy zone back here at 12/4. here, and another one here to here, 18.75. Paid for the new Falcon with 2 trades. Nicely. What's not to like about a Falcon? It's the Rolls Royce of trading computers. All right, so now we're going to deal with Europe. That's part and parcel of our issue here. Now we're going to deal with Europe. Should have paid attention to time of day here, fellas. This will bounce if it comes back to 96, 97. You'll get a bounce there. 97 if it pulls back. The entry that I love is 65. Again, I have no idea if it gets there. Come on, I want 42, 43. Let's go. Small buyers. We have buyers. On the 3-minute, 5-minute small net sellers. Let's get back above 20 and I'll dig this. 19 half. All right, guys, I'll kill this.
Order filled.
All right. We should bounce in here. Let's see what we do at VWAP. Now we've pulled VWAP up. This one's going to want to break VWAP.
Stop count.
So here's where I erred. Here's where I erred, fellas. Not paying attention to time of day. I do. I mean, I erred on time of day. Everything should be off at 11, 10:30, 11 o'clock here. The closing of Europe is usually it's like our closing. If you guys are unaware, you got traders squaring positions, trying to get flat, trying to get short, trying to get long, whatever. I still like the longs, but not until we're out of Europe. On that 4,224 volume chart, that's the first losing trade it's taken since yesterday when I started playing with it. But again, I wasn't cognizant of the time of day. That's on me. 65, guys, if you guys want to take another trade. 66 on NASDAQ. If you guys are wanting another one,
Order submitted.
66. If it comes back to 66, your stop is going to be 140. If you guys have made your day, think about what you're doing. We're about done with the session today, so if you've made your day, keep your money. We're not here much longer. 66 with a 40 stop. 26 handles. Nice job. 161 ticks total on crude. Nice job. Guys, Gary's a big crude trader. He loves crude and gold. Come on. 66. I love the new indicator. I think it's the best indicator ever built. I mean, I really do. Come on, 66. Let's go. Stop being a chooch. Stop is 40. 40. Oh, 70. Stop is 40. Just know what you're doing. Didn't. 67 quarter, 5 ticks. 67, 3 ticks.
Order filled.
There it is. There's a bounce. Let's take first target at 75. 75, small first target. Oh. Come on. Don't do it. Come on.
Filled.
Target 1 done. Target 1 done. Target 2 done. Man, you can't draw them up any better than that. Free trade, fellas. Free trade. You guys good? We're going to fight VWAP, Pam's dots, and a 34 moving average. That may be the end of the line. I can see 210 target, but they're going to have to find buyers. Everybody good, fellas? That's right. Booyah, baby. Back above VWAP. Get out of here. We're going to have to get above 93, 94 to do it. There we go. Say goodbye. Oh, come on. It was, Wayne. Yep. Previous. Yep. Nice job, Terry. Goal hit. Yeah, and we're in the process of revamping it too, Wayne. All right, guys. Anybody have a runner going here? Anybody have a runner going? Anybody? Okay. Guys, I've gone to 74, 76, lock in 10. Again, we're going to deal with Europe. Fellas, this is my final trade for the day until later. Is there anybody in this room? Over 240 people registered. Is there anybody in this room that did not make money today? Is there anybody that didn't make money? Nice job, Wayne. Nice job. $1,000. Nice job. Okay. Everybody is green, right? I don't have to worry about anybody. We're right back into that buy zone. and it should hold again. Maybe a little bit deeper, but all right. So everybody's good, right? All right, fellas, let me give you some totals here. The breakout indicator, all sim trades, up 2,049.90. 2,049.90. The bots are down 21.75. The original bot is down 21.75. Largely on me. I let it take that NASDAQ trade. Again, I usually turn them off at 10:30, but I'm so engrossed in order flow that I didn't turn the bots off. That's on me. So the bots are down 21.75. The new automated breakout is up 2,049, but this was way up. And then I took this trade here at 10:57. Again, just not being cognizant of the time. Coming into the 11 o'clock hour, not a great time to trade that last 30 minutes. Be that as it may, it was a great day. Everybody is green. Keep your money, fellas. Tomorrow's another day. Hard to believe it's hump day already. I still think that 115 area is another long mark. That's the area I like.